Hi Internet friends, this is Tim Schrock from Design Build Solutions bringing you another Tech Tip Tuesday. Once again, I'm working in Chief Architect Premiere version X12 on my MacBook computer. Today's tip is about quickly turning off layers that, sometimes it's just getting, the screen's getting busy, too busy for how I would like to work. So, quickly, I can show you in 2 clicks how to turn a layer off. Let's get started. Well, as I said, in 2 clicks I can show you how to turn a layer off, such as this cross-section view. But first, I'll back it up and show you the long way around. To turn an object off, such as this camera view, or maybe the ceiling planes here, or roof planes, is to use the tools, layer settings, and layer hider. And I click on the camera view, and it's gone. That's fairly simple, but as I said, that's not 2 clicks. So what I've done is I've set up a custom toolbar with the layer hider tool right here next to my floor levels. Click once on the layer hider, and that was cabinet soffits, and here's ceiling planes. Done. So 3 clicks, I turned 2 layers off. Let's show you, I'm going to undo a couple times here, and I'll show you how to do custom toolbars. Let's go into, here we go. Right click on the toolbar anywhere on any icon or in a blank space of a toolbar. Right click and click on Customize Toolbars. Now I'm in the plan view and I want this tool to show up when I'm in plan view. So this is important to recognize that you're in the right view type, because your toolbars change when you switch from plan view to an elevation view to a 3D view to a material, CAD detail, layout, and ray trace. Each of these has different tools and toolbars set up. So in my plan view, I'm going to search for layer hider. Now, if I didn't want to search, I could scroll through here and find them alphabetically, and there it is. From here, I'm just going to drag this tool, layer hider, right over here to my toolbar. And as I drag this over here, I haven't let go with my mouse yet, I'll see the green plus arrow button, and I'll just drop it right there like so. Now I've got 2 copies of this tool and I don't need 2, so I'm going to drag it right off of the toolbar into the middle of my screen, and that deletes that tool. So you should have, if you're following along, you should have 1 layer hider button there. Now in 2 clicks, 1, 2, I can turn off any layer that I like. Keep clicking and turn off the roof layers. That's the 3rd click. Now this does not work, say, for an attached object such as a label, a door label, a window label, a cabinet label. It does work for the room labels, but that's not, that's like kind of attached. It's connected to, but it's not attached the same as a window or door or cabinet label. Notice as I hover over this room label, in the lower left-hand corner of my screen, it tells me what layer is going to be hidden. Layer to hide is room labels right now. If I hover over this window label, the layer to hide is windows. And I don't want to hide the windows. When I click, the windows are gone. So we're going to undo that. I want to keep the windows on, but this, if I want to turn off the window layers, I could go into my layer sets and go down to window labels, scroll down, not down, there we go, window labels. But a faster way is to select the object and click on this little icon with the O. Now this is the object layer properties. So the object I've selected is a window, and this tool right here, when clicked, will pull up all of the layers that are connected, related to that object. So quickly, instead of 15 million layers, I've got 6. Quickly I can turn off window labels, and there my layer is off and my labels are off. Okay. Once again, I can do the same with cabinets. Select the cabinet by clicking on it, click this Object Layer Properties child toolbar, and turn off the cabinet labels. Hey, I might even want to turn off module lines right now. All right, so just a way to manage your screen. What's on your screen? I'm working in my working plan view, saved plan view set, and this is where I do all of my drawing, so I'm turning layers on and off all the time, and that means that I'm not affecting the CD plan view, that this is the view that I want to remain the same so that I can send it to layout. I'm just working within working plan view and want to clean it up by turning layers off. So I did my custom toolbar, custom tool. I right click on the toolbar out here and click customize toolbars. From there, select any icon here. If you see the arrow, that means you could pull this material tools over to your toolbar and you'd have a drop down similar to like any of these drop downs right here, text drop downs, dimension drop downs, etc. Or you can pull individual tools from that subcategory. I should also quickly point out that you can use this object layer properties for other operations than just turning it off. Select this property, like this property line that I've got drawn. That's a CAD object, and I'm going to select the object layer properties. And I just want to, in this view, I want to see it, display it, but I don't want to be able to select it or move it. So I'm going to just lock that layer. I could change whether it's included in the materials list or not. I could change the name of the layer, the color, the weight, the line style, the text style, etc. if I wanted to change that. So that's also handy with this. Now it's locked, so I can't select it, but with this object layer properties child tool. There you have it. I hope this has been helpful. It's been kind of quick today compared to some of the last ones. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and don't forget to hit that like button down there. Let me know what you think of these videos. I appreciate the interaction and the feedback. As always, take care. Have a great week.